I just want to welcome you all to week 4, and here is our module overview. So in this module we're going to talk about degree options, the associate's degree for transfer, general education requirements, graduation requirements, transfer and major prep, matching a career to major, and again, just a little more explanation on grade point average in terms of increasing your GPA and understanding how GPA works. Objectives are to become familiar with degree options, different types of majors, the different types of associate's degrees, different types of bachelor's degrees, graduate and professional degrees, becoming familiar with the general education requirements, learning how to match career to major, and how to calculate grade point average. And one important thing of note, so here where there are videos, I did add here video lectures included, so you know there's videos on this page. And the career exploration discussion instructions. So your assignments for this week, like most weeks, are your journal assignment and your discussion for week 4. Hopefully you've started working on your time log assignment because it will be due soon, and you have up until the end of the semester to turn it in, but it will be due soon. So hopefully you've started, and I've been working on mine as well. And this week, so the time log is one of your major assignments. Obviously the paper is the biggest one. And also the time log assignment, the comprehensive student educational plan. So if you haven't made your appointment yet, please make your appointment. And finally, the career exploration discussion post. So that one's going to be due week 7. So when that module opens up, you'll be able to post your career exploration report as a discussion post. And so as we are going over the video lectures on matching career to major, that hopefully will help you to complete the career exploration. So I'm just giving you the instructions in this module, since that's the focus of this module, so that you can start planning ahead to have your discussion post all researched and typed up and ready to post when it comes due in week 7. So I'm just trying to space out the big assignments so that it is easier for you to get them done. And so for the career exploration discussion, we have all of the bullet points that should be in your discussion post. You want to have an introductory paragraph, at least one body paragraph and a conclusion paragraph, and you want to make sure that you address all of the bullet points below and include the sources that you use to get that information. It doesn't have to be cited in any special way, just at the bottom of your post, or if you want to include it within your body paragraphs, I got this information from this website, or just so people know where you found the information from. So talk about what made you choose this particular career or occupation that you researched, and why. What is the required experience, training, and education for this career occupation? So this is all information that you'll find on the Bureau of Labor Statistics website and also on O-Net Online. And so in some of the lecture videos, I'll be showing you examples of navigating those websites. What are the typical duties and responsibilities associated with this career occupation? What are the necessary skills for someone working in this career occupation? What is the employment outlook? How much growth is expected in this career occupation? What is the expected salary range? And include which sources again, which sources you utilize. So did you go to Bureau of Labor Statistics? Did you go to ONET Online? Did you go to California Career Zone? Which websites did you use to get the information from? And of course, respond to 2 of your classmates' posts for full points. So I could have made this just a regular assignment where you're just typing it up and submitting it as an assignment, but then I'm the only one that gets to see it. And so I decided that I wanted you to put it in a discussion post so that everybody gets to see the information that you've found. And so hopefully we get varied examples of possible occupations. And the resources, the web links are here as well. Web link to California Career Zone, to myplan.com, Bureau of Labor Statistics, ONET Online, California Career Cafe. They're also provided within the module. And the discussion post is due May 29th. It's available beginning the week 7 on May 23rd. And the discussion will be found in the week 7 module. So I'm just going over matching career to major in this module and giving you the instructions ahead of time so that you can go ahead and start exploring and start typing up your discussion post to share with your classmates in week 7. Okay, so of course I'm available Thursdays 5 to 6 in Zoom for office hours, and the Zoom link is in your calendar. It's also in the syllabus. And if you have any questions, you can meet me there. You can also send emails. And I hope you have a great week ahead of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.